Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how to make 3D photo in CapCut. So for example, I'm going to click new project and add this photo to the clip, and then I'm going to make this photo as a 3D photo. Just click the clip and then you can click style button. So you can select this one as you like. For example, I'm going to select this 3D Zoom Pro. So just waiting the processing. So here we go. Okay, that's how to make a 3D photo in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate and extra thanks. Bye bye.